all bets apparently aren't off, at least not yet, when it comes to Liberty and similar type amusement devices that were recently licensed after sitting in storage for the last 5 years. Rev Tax received a letter on Friday ordering the revocation of 217 licenses the department issued a week before, as well as a listing of all the machines.
Their position basically is saying that these machines are illegal, and we shouldn't be issuing those licenses under 22-202 of Title 11. Basically saying that these are basically gambling machines.
As we reported, Rev Tax began reissuing the licenses after the AG's office dismissed its lawsuit against the department, and Guam Music Inc. dropped its case against the government of Guam. The two suits have been tied up in court for the last 5 years, but both sides recently agreed to dismiss the cases, which Rev Tax believed paved the way for licensing of the machines to start up again.
As far as the issue on revoking those licenses, we're still working with the AG office on what the letter, how the letter will be going out to these three owners, notifying them of these machines.
Camacho says they haven't decided whether they will revoke the licenses immediately, which will tie the department up in administrative hearings and due process that must be afforded to each of the companies. But come June 30th, he says one thing is very clear.
We're not going to renew these things. In other words, when they came in, it's only good for up to June 30, which basically we're even looking at, notifying them of the non-renewal business licenses when they expire, in other words, and giving them a notice, basically the acquisitions that these machines are basically gambling machines, and they're illegal.
Now, even if they issue revocation notices, owners have 15 calendar days to request for a hearing and deny the accusations. Guam Music Inc. has already said they will pursue the matter as they contend the machines are fully legal, and regulations passed by lawmakers back in 2003 made the machines legal and able to be licensed every year. No matter what decision Rev Tax makes, Camacho is sure of one thing.
In my opinion, it probably go back in court because the court has never ruled whether or not these are really gambling machines.
It's the multi-million-dollar question that would have been answered had the Attorney General's office pursued the case it filed 5 years ago, when it first took the issue to court instead of agreeing to dismiss it earlier this month. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Mindy Egan.